Well, how's everybody doing? Today is Tuesday, November 12th, and what we got going today is our first big Arctic blast. It came in yesterday about noon, which that was part of the previous video, and this morning it was probably around 20 to 21 degrees with a wind chill in the teens, which we're not used to. We only get those once or twice a year, and that is it, and then maybe 3 times if it's a bad winter, and yeah, it's just a lot of when we get cold, it's a lot of moisture in the air. It's it's a lot different than the dry air cold. So we get issues with fuel gelling, frozen pipes, tractors not wanting to start, all that kind of good stuff. So that's what this video is just trying to fight through that this morning, and between feeding and pushing cows around and all that good stuff, trying to get the equipment to run and run like it should. We actually needed one of the 6410s to start right away. There was a guy waiting to unload something, and we needed to put the pallet forks on. Trying to get that started, and then later on in the day I needed the other 6410. So getting those started, and after lunch we replaced the fan motor on the milk cooler. Got that done, and now it's about 6 o'clock. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Give a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and drop me a comment below. I'll gladly answer the comments. And so now I'm about to go shoot some hogs in the face. So we'll see you at the end. So far everything's going okay. Just the let's see, the Puma barely started, but it finally started up. Took a couple tries, but that may have something to do with last night box is frozen to the bed. Box was frozen to the bed. Last night I drained a fuel separator, but I did start it up and let it run for a little bit, but maybe not long enough, and so took a couple tries to get it started, but it started right up after that, and everything was good. Wheel loader started up no problem. I started the 2155 and it started up no problem. But one little problem we got right now is the Kubota that we use to push feed with is running like it's not getting diesel. So I'm gonna go check on that and see what the deal is there. There's no babies. I just checked on that. Thank God there's no babies, because that would not be good right now because they'd be frozen. So sun's out, sky's clear, wind's still blowing, but not near as hard. And wheel loader said 13 degrees, which that's usually a little off. Weatherman said it's like 23, 20 degrees, something like that right now. So it's pretty cold. So it's got a little fuel strainer right here, and kind of like a filter. We're gonna take it off and maybe blow it out or something. Maybe it's just got some water crap in it, or it's a little bit gelled up. Still got diesel in it, quit flowing. Oh yeah. Got some water in it, got some shit in it. Alright, so diesel flows in through the bottom, pushes through the filter and comes out the top. So we'll blow air through the top, back out the bottom, and clean it all out. It's got some junk and some water, and I bet it was gelling up last night. Well, so far that Kubota, I haven't been able to get it started. The deal with it is I took the one plastic filter off and cleaned it, but it's got another one underneath the seat that's a pain in the ass to get to, and when you take the hose off, it wants to drain the whole tank out. So I'm gonna have to mess with that here in a minute. I finally had to give up and go mix up feed for the close-ups, and that's what I'm doing right now, is running the close-ups across the road to the feed lane, which they're all act like they're frozen. They don't want to move. Also got the battery charger hooked up onto the 6410. Got a guy that's gonna be here in about 20 minutes with a tote to unload of teat dip. So gotta get that started. I tried to start it like 3 times already. It wouldn't start. Battery charger sitting on it. Hopefully get it hooked up, or hopefully get it started, and then get the pallet fork hooked up, and then when he gets here. So I got about 20 minutes to do those 3 things. I need to get the Kubota started so we can push feed better. The guy is not really doing a very good job hand scraping. So there's 3 heifers. Hello? Hey. Okay, give me a couple minutes and I'll be right there. What that is that gear shift acts like a cup on the bottom. And so it just gets water in it from rain or washing it or whatever. Well, they don't ever get washed, but when it rains. And so it froze up and then you couldn't put it in gear. Usually it's the whole thing and you just don't drive it until it unfreezes, but somehow he was able to get it in, I think he said first, second gear or something like that, but he couldn't get it in the other gears. So, but then he pulls up and right up to that wood post and couldn't do nothing, so dumped some hot water on it and got it going. That guy's here with the tote. I gotta run to the feed lane first and hope to God that tractor starts up. Well, we couldn't ever get the 16410 to start. It just, we tried several times, it wouldn't start, so we moved the battery charger over to the other 6410 that usually stays on the Caltech, and got it started. So I got that tote unloaded, sitting there, and right now we're gonna mix up feed for the dry cows, and then we're gonna see if we can get that Kubota going so we can get feed pushed up real nice and neat instead of with a hand scraper. See if we can get this damn thing running. So what it is there's another one of them plastic filters right there, and we need to get that off or get it out so we can drain that one. All right, so we got it off. Jeremy's down there holding the hose coming out of the tank, keeping diesel from flowing out of the tank. And took this off and held it upside down. It's full of diesel. It wasn't even dripping out. That's how plugged up it was. And shook it up and down, and it finally all the diesel ran out. But it's full of crap. So the hose comes from the tank into here, fuel pumps over here, sucks it through here. So that's probably all the problem is. This is full of crap and had water in it, and it may have started freezing. You know, it's just a cheap piece of Kubota crap. Alright, I'm gonna run down there and put this on and get it fired up. We still got the dry cows, group 3 and the close-ups are still in there. The guy's pushing feed by hand right now. Yeah, it'd probably be a lot easier if you like jacked it up, took this tire off and took this back cover off, but who's got time for that crap? Pull back a little bit. You have to reach underneath your hand and hold the hose while I push the filter on.
Your fuel filter, isn't it?
Yeah, fuel filter that you have to change where you can't get to it. Your fingers crossed. Well, we finally got the Kubota running like a sewing machine, and we're running the close house back across the road. It's warmed up some, but it's still freaking cold. I haven't put my gloves back on yet because they're covered in diesel. My hands are, and my hands are burning. So we'll get these across the road, put the tools up, wash the hands, and then I think I got to mix up feed for the milk cows. Finally. Alright, then you need this tractor, so we finally got it running. Alright, we're about to start working on that fan on the milk cooler. that top unit and bottom unit, they are tied in together. So I went and flipped off the breakers for both of them. So the way they work is you can run on just the bottom unit. Like if you weren't going to put a bunch of milk in the tank, when the tank was empty, you could just flip a switch to the bottom unit, and that's all that would run to keep the milk cool, and that'd be the bottom plate of the tank. The middle and the top are the side plates of the milk tank. So that's how those bottom and middle unit are tied in together, or that's why. So we got both of them breakers turned off, and we're gonna get up there and we're gonna take the fan out. I gotta pull the wires out of the silver box in there, and yeah, whatever else. So we're gonna start on that. Okay, like I said, we got the breakers off already. Should be these white and black ones. Yeah. Turn both of them off. Gotta take this loose. Can you throw me your 3/8 swivel? You have to hold it like, you know, like stick your hands like this, and hold it like that. Or, yeah, you just can't hold like the blades, you gotta hold more the middle, and then I'm gonna hit the shaft and knock the motor out. You have to like kind of. Sure, there's just some birds on there, so maybe this will just get it started on the way out. So that last one, I tried something like that, and it ended up like, what do you call it? Flanging it out, and it made it worse.
Like mushroomed it?
Yeah.
You got both of these loose?
Yeah.
So you just need to knock it back down.
cut those connectors off and then pull this off. The last one they got, they didn't take the shit out. Got it?
Yeah, I got this side.
On. Alright, we got that on. Then we just gotta put the wires through the back of the box. We got a couple of things we gotta go do. I just don't remember what half of them are, but we'll just see if anything's worth filming. Well, alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.